Why a cat makes a hissing sound hiss when being picked up. When a cat makes a hissing sound, hiss, when being picked up, it is usually due to fear, discomfort, or a defensive reaction. Here are the detailed reasons. Being picked up suddenly or lifted from a height can cause a cat to feel anxious, leading to hissing as an expression of their fear. A cat may feel discomfort or pain when being picked up if they have a sore spot or an injury. Cats hiss as a defensive mechanism. If being picked up feels threatening to the cat, they may react defensively by hissing to protect themselves.